Hello there and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video, and in this video I want to show you how you can sort the month and year values in a proper order. So whenever you have created a chart like this which is having multiple years and then obviously the multiple months in that, then it may not be coming as per your expectations. Like in this case it is starting from April 2017, and then Jan is coming over here, so on and so forth. So this is basically some of the issues that you get when you are creating a chart like this. Similarly, a simple month chart like Jan, Feb, March and all is something create an issue. But this is a slightly complex scenario. So where we are looking at this particular chart. So this is coming from my previous video. If you have seen that, what we have done is we have created the calendar table or a date table based on the sample superstore start date and end date, right? And then we added the columns like year over here, month over here, day, month name, year name, and we are using this month year column which we have created over here for formatting. Now the only thing is we are not able to sort of sort it, and I want to show you very quickly how you can do it very efficiently using the DAX function. So with that, we'll go to this table, and we have already applied the add columns, so we will continue in the end, and that's a benefit. Like you don't have to click on new column or any such, but you can simply start adding a comma and start adding the new column. So we will call it month year sort, right? And what we need is, if you see from a sorting perspective, we need something like year and month combination. So 2018 01, 2018 02, 03, so on and so forth. So for that, what we're going to do is we will say format date, and the format will be YYYYMM, right? And we will close this parenthesis. Okay, where my cursor? All right. Once we do that, you will see that the value have come 2018-01 down below 02, and we will see it over here 2017-01 to 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 2018 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So all good. So now once we have created this field, what we will going to do is we will going to click over here and click on sort by column, and we will say month year sort. So as soon as we will click on month year sort, you will see that Jan, Feb, March and all of this till December is properly sorted. So that's the function, or that's the value I wanted to show you as to how you can create a function like this particular format, which will going to help you do the formatting as per your needs. Before I move ahead, just a quick information that you can view all of my Power BI related videos over here in this sorting, like the sorting month year values, the current one which I am creating. All of these videos are present in this Google Sheet where you can search the text or the title easily, and using the link present in column B, you can jump to that tutorial. Also, I've created some exercises that you can access with the help of the video links. So that's something I wanted to show you. Link is present in the description. Go ahead, use it, and search the video that you need. With that, thank you so much for watching.